Hey, it's the VW guy, and today I'm going to show you how to put a Volkswagen Jetta into neutral. If you don't have the key or the battery is dead, you won't be able to put it into neutral to tow it, or if you need to tow it for some reason, this is how you do it. So you're going to want to remove this cover down here below the shifter. What I do is I take a flat pry tool so you don't damage this area here, and then you're going to take it and go like right under on either side, push in right here, and then pry up. And then I do it another one on this side, push in, pry up, and I'll kind of push these down. You'll see you want to get past these two little clips here. Once you get past those two little clips, you can kind of just pull the rest up around the whole trim piece and pull this up. Okay, once you have this pulled up, this yellow button right here, you just want to press down on the top of that, and then you can just move the shifter as normal. There's neutral. Alright, I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found this video helpful.